Hey everyone, welcome back to the Abundance Tree Podcast. I'm your host, Janice, and I'm accompanied by my co-host,
April Capri.
April
How
Capri's
are
in the
we? We're
house.
episode 50.
What?
What?
Episode what? Episode
Episode
what?
the Big 50. The Big 50. Seems
That's
like yesterday. Seems
right.
like yesterday, yes.
Y'all, this is a milestone for us because we made it to 50 episodes. Can y'all believe it? It's awesome.
15. So what better way to celebrate building success in non-traditional ways than with a non-traditional interview, on the spot interview. So we hope you guys enjoy.
Absolutely. And
Yeah.
also, we have a special treat for you if y'all stay to the end.
Yes. Special treat. So
Yeah.
stay
Yes.
tuned.
We're not going to say it right now, so you'll have to stay to the end. Shh, y'all enjoy.
Nestled in the heart of this vibrant community is Jireh Auto Spa and Window Tinting, a small business with a big story. Today we meet Aldo, the owner and master craftsman behind this thriving window tinting shop.
Do you mind telling me again how you guys got started?
Yeah, so we started, my dad started the business after the market crash in like 2010. He started looking for jobs, and he started working with window tint. He learned from my uncle, and he started his own business around 2012. And from then on, about 2017, 2018, we started the business under LLC, and we've just been working from there.
Aldo's journey into the world of window tinting began one summer when he was in high school. It was a time of bonding and learning spent hours working on cars together with his father.
It took me about, I was working with my dad like most summers during high school, which was around like 2015 to 2017. And once I got out of school, I started working with him, and it took me about 6 months to get everything down to a science. And then I've just been on my own. I was working on my own at different places while he worked here, and I'm back here again, helping him out. You know, we're expanding our businesses to other things as well.
Aldo's journey began with modest steps. He poured his heart into every project. Aldo realized that to truly grow his business, he needed to take a significant step, making it official.
It was pretty simple. We just went to the accountant that we're still with. They set up the whole process for us. It was pretty simple. You know, they just asked us for our basic information, and it's set up under my name. But it was pretty simple, just with our accountant and the business name and everything. They just put it in the system.
To understand the craft of window tinting, Aldo showed us the meticulous steps he takes to ensure each job is done to perfection.
After we trim, we just mold it. I can show you on the other side too. I haven't molded that side yet.
Okay.
So after we're done molding, we install in a two-piece process. The reason we do that is because this top part, if it was all the way up here, it's like hidden. So you have to roll it down, and then we roll it back up. And we keep the protective layer on the bottom to keep from like dust from like accumulating while it's just hanging there. In the bottom part, spray it again.
Aldo shared to us their secret to flawless window tinting lies in a simple yet effective solution: a mixture of water and drops of baby shampoo.
It's just water.
It's just water.
Baby shampoo.
Baby shampoo. What does the baby shampoo do?
It lets the water like stay soapy, and lets the film stay slippery in order to, you know, move it around the way you need to before securing it.
That's interesting.
Aldo also mentioned that they only started to use these products as DIY, or do-it-yourself.
But if you start off, that's what you use, like whatever you have at home, if you do it yourself.
Aldo shares that the back window is by far the most challenging to customize.
So it's the same thing as doing the doors, just that you have a lot more fingers to do. So we use dryer sheets. There's many things you can use. Talc powder, dryer sheets. Is to remove the static off of the back window. Since it's so big, you don't want it to like be moving while you're trying to mold it. So that's what I use. I use the dryer sheets. It helps it keep it in place and helps me take the fingers down.
Aldo's expertise ensures a seamless finish. His dedication to mastering even the most challenging aspects of his craft is what sets window tinting apart.
It's definitely something you have to learn. Because not every car is different. Some cars are more difficult. They might not look difficult, but they may be more difficult than like this car is very easy.
Okay.
Now for me, but this curve right here sometimes doesn't let you get if you don't know what you're doing, you'll get like a bunch of bite marks on the edge.
Okay.
But it just varies.
One of the most significant milestones in Aldo and his father's journey was partnering with the local police department to customize their vehicles. This collaboration not only showcases his expertise, but also highlights the trust and reputation of their business have built within the community.
We work with police vehicles. If they do installations or like how they have their names on them, we do that as well. Just the lettering.
Really?
We really have to.
That's awesome. Did you contract with the police station?
We've been working with them as well for quite a while now. We just did simple tints with them. You know, we get the contracts from them, and but now they're expanding. We just told them we started working with decals, and they've been experimenting with us as well on that.
That's awesome. Did you reach out to them or they reached out to you?
I don't know how it started. My dad is the one that started with them. We can ask him in a bit, see how they started with that.
That's awesome.
As of the moment, Aldo have been planning on expanding their business and continues to thrive by customizing other vehicles.
Working on doing wraps, wrapping matte, full color, headlights, darkening them, doing tints on them.
Oh yeah.
Things like that.
I love the wraps. So for me personally, for my business, I was thinking about doing maybe not a whole wrap, but something. Can you do like wraps? Can you custom make wraps, or how does that work?
Yeah, we can custom make them. If you just want like, I say just a simple hood, or you want it to say something, we can do that as well.
Really?
Aldo's journey with window tinting is a testament to building success in non-traditional ways. From a small business to partnerships with local authorities, his story illustrates that passion, creativity, and dedication can lead to extraordinary achievements.
Thank you for watching, you all. I hope you enjoyed the episode.
Hope you guys enjoyed our on the spot interview with Jireh.
In the field. April was going in the field. I love it. Hopefully we'll be doing some more in the field content for y'all soon. So I think I'm anticipating that, so it'll be awesome. But
more real life footage coming soon.
Absolutely. So we wanted to kind of take this time to share our store with you. So can we share the screen and show off our store? What do you think? Yeah.
I think so.
Okay. So I'm going to share. So this is our new store. Can you see it?
I can see it.
So I've added a few things recently, like a couple hats.
I gotta get me a hat.
Right, I'm gonna get one too. So we have the gold lettering with the mesh isn't there. This one has the mesh look, but it has the white lettering. This actually has, if you're looking at the back of it right there, so it has our QR codes in the back. We got some tote bags, stickers, magnets. Oh, we had a happy Father's Day, by the way. So
Happy
today's
Father's
Father's
Day.
So we did have a little bit of some dad swag in here. So if y'all need a late gift for your dad, come shop with us. But we have different designs in here. Um, Magnets, cups. This is the original logo. If you see the Lena Lou, that's me, Lena Lou. But this is the updated version, what we're going with now. Different designs that are great, abundance themed. So we hope y'all like it, and we want to, show off our swag. Ooh, let me see
Wearing
that, April.
mine. I'm wearing mine. I don't know if y'all
She's
can
wearing,
see
yes,
it.
yes. Right. So it's
I am
awesome.
wearing mine.
So
You
y'all,
know, the store looks great, Janice. You got that up like you got that
oh,
so fast. It looks amazing.
thank you. Let me see that shirt again, April. You gotta show it off.
It says it says deep roots, high dreams, and infinite abundance.
All right, right from the store, and I'm wearing one too, so I don't know if
Oh,
you can
you
see it. Oh,
disappeared.
I
There
disappeared.
you
Hold on.
go. Cultivate your life, harvest your abundance.
Y'all, so get your swag, get your Abundance Street swag, get your Abundance Street swag. It helps support our channel because we do have a slight cost to produce our reels and things. So
We do.
thank you for sticking with us and watching this the show today. We hope you enjoyed our 50th episode. Y'all have a great night. Bye.